Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna now install the App2CAR so you can watch movies like from Netflix or Amazon Prime Video in your car in a Mazda CX-5 model 2021, but I've just been told that the model 2020 has the same type of dashboard and software, so it should also work with previous models. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install the new App2CAR with a USB port into the USB port of the car. Hopefully you can see a little bit, it's a bit dark here. Just plug and play. There we go. So the product is going to start giving signal, and you're going to see the screen in a few seconds. It should recognize the product and let you be able to play movies or install different apps on your car, like Candy Crush, for example. You want to install YouTube. We're gonna do future videos testing other applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So keep an eye on the rest of the videos we have. So right now is the Mazda time right now. So screenshots here, and the first thing is please do not watch videos while you drive. So we say just we know, and then ready to go. The first thing, of course, we do is we go into the settings and we make sure we pair the wireless from your mobile phone. Okay, so we have installed the Wi-Fi from your mobile phone. As you can see, it's all connected, and what we're gonna do is we just simply go into more apps, search the app we want to run, like Netflix. Of course, we can put these apps on the main screen as well, so you can have them straight into the front of the system. And we're running Netflix right now, so you can watch Netflix on your car, any movie you want. Of course, this Netflix is connected to my Netflix account, so we will show the programs that I like. And here we go. Let's see if we can watch a little bit of, I don't know, Outlander. Just click there and play. So it works perfectly well with the Mazda. Let's put some sound here. And of course I'm using the car volume up and down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stop here and just go back to the main screen. We're gonna watch, for example, Amazon Prime. It's also installed. There we go. Let's play this one, or stand. We're gonna watch Greenland now. Sorry, went back to the main screen. More apps, Prime Video. We can move this to the right so it doesn't bother us when we play in Amazon Prime. That's what I did. When I clicked play, the menu of the software was on the left, so when I clicked play, it went up back to the main screen. Here we go. It's playing Greenland. I'm gonna put the volume up. And of course you can move it forward. More sound.
Oh no, great.
Yeah, we're gonna stop here.
Look at the highway.
And this is it. This is the App2CAR, so you can install any app YouTube as well. You can watch videos on YouTube. So we have tested the product on the Mazda CX-5 and it works fantastically well. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about this product, go to www.smartworldcompany.com.